strategy analysis. My name is Noe and together with my group member Paul-Jay, Kok-Harun, Wafiza Binti, Muhammad Maidin, and Anja Chi, we will be presenting our findings and recommendations. So, our presentation will begin with an introduction followed by an analysis of Greenroot solution and the evaluation of the 4 shortlisted companies. And we will then present our final recommendation followed by the counter arguments and conclusion. Now I'd like to hand over to Alvin to begin the introduction.
Okay, so this is about the introduction. So I will be talking about the background first. So agri-tech is one of the fastest growing industries globally, and also technologies such as AI and also IoT, which is the Internet of Things, data analysis and precision farming are transforming agriculture, which is claimed by these two authors lah. Okay, so this talking about the third issue. Southeast Asia faces challenges including climate change, urbanization, and also limited farming land. So this about the increase of urbanization has caused that insufficient land or cultivation and the overspending of overdevelopment in rural areas. And also this is about the purpose of report. Our report is talking about the evaluate for shortlisted agri-tech companies and also identify the best acquisition target for GRS and also for support GRS expansion into Southeast Asia. Let's pass to the
Okay. So now I would like to introduce about the Greenroot solution, more known as GRS. So GRS is an agricultural technology company based in Fresno, California. So the company has revenue of USD 12.4 billion and a strong presence in North America and Europe. Its core technology includes precision agriculture, AI-powered farming system, and smart farming solutions. As growth in its current markets becomes slower, GRS plans to expand into Southeast Asia. These regions offer strong opportunities due to increasing food security, government support for sustainability agriculture, and growing demand for agri-tech solutions. To enter the market more effectively, GRS plans to acquire a local agri-tech company. So, although Southeast Asia offers many opportunities, GRS may face several challenges. First, there is a product gap because most of the technologies are designed for large-scale farms, while many farms in Southeast Asia operates in small farms. Second, there is a localization gap. Different climates and crops may require changes to the technology. In addition, GRS has limited understanding of local farming practices and lack of strong relationship with local stakeholders. Finally, the company has limited experience operating in Southeast Asia, which may increase the expansion risk. So this slide shows the SWOT analysis of GRS. GRS has several strengths, including advanced farming technology, strong financial resources, and a good reputation in developed markets. However, the company also has a weakness, which is limited knowledge of Southeast Asia agriculture and weak local partnership. There are also many opportunities, including growing demand for agri-tech solution and government support for food security. And at the same time, there is a competition, regulation, and economic uncertainty remain important threats. So overall, GRS has strong potential to expand into Southeast Asia, but success will depend on adapting to the local market needs. Next, I will pass the presentation to Ian.
Okay, so thank you, Wafiza. So before comparing the shortlisted companies, we first establish 5 key evaluation criteria. These criteria are strategic fit, financial performance, management capability, market presence, and growth potential. So they provide a consistent framework for assessing each company's suitability as an acquisition target for GRS. With this criteria in mind, let's take a look at the 4 shortlisted companies. Now I will pass to Hui Jin.
We have 11 shortlisted companies. First is Vertical Earth Farm in Singapore, and second is Red Grow Urban Farm in Vietnam, and continue with Agro Nusantara Tech in Indonesia, and lastly is Green Circle Systems in Thailand. Next slide, please. So now I would like to start with the Vertical Earth Farm, and this company has shown a strong financial performance and advanced vertical farming technologies. This strength is stable and low risk acquisition for GRS expertise in precision agriculture. However, there are also some limitations. The operating costs of the company are high, making expansion into lower income Southeast Asian market more difficult. And in addition, it mainly serves with premium urban customers rather than smallholder, which does not fully address the GRS strategy needs. And next is Red Grow Urban Farms. This farm has shown a strong innovation and rapid revenue growth. This product matches the growing demand for sustainable urban agriculture, and it has built a strong brand through social media. However, the profitability of the company still remains very low because of the high expansion cost. And the management team of the company does not have enough experience with the large-scale operations. And it also, like the Vertical Earth Farm, more focused on premium customers rather than smallholder markets. And next I'll pass to Yan to talk about another 2 company.
So now let's compare the 2 strongest candidates, Agro Nusantara Tech and Green Circuit System. Although both companies meet GRS acquisition criteria, they offer different advantages and present different challenges. So firstly, Agro Nusantara Tech has a strong local farmer network and offers digital farming solutions, including crop monitoring, weather forecasting, and farm analytics. These capabilities closely match GRS objective of expanding into Southeast Asia, especially because GRS currently lack local market knowledge and relationship with smallholder farmers. Although Agro Nusantara Tech has low profitability and limited experience in large-scale management, these challenges can be improved through GRS financial resources and management expertise after the acquisition. On the other hand, Green Circuit System demonstrates strong financial stability and has established partnership with government organizations. This strength provides lower acquisition risk, stable financial returns, and easier market access. However, the company is considered less innovative and has lower long-term growth potential, which may limit GRS future expansion in the fast-changing agri-tech industry. So overall, both companies have their own strength and weakness, while Agro Nusantara Tech offers stronger digital capabilities and local market connections. Green Circuit System provides greater financial stability and excellent management. Now I would like to pass the presentation to Ivan.